Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce tutorial interview question. Topics interview question. What do you mean by Visual Force tag? Visual Force tags are used to build high quality application by developers. Visual Force consists of a series of XML markup tags. These tags are also called as components. Visual Force tags are easy to remember compared with .NET. Based on the actions, Visual Force tags are divided into different types: input tags, output tags, select tags, form tags, page tags, action tags, style tags, etc. What is Apex page tag? It is a single Visual Force page. All pages must be wrapped inside a single page component tag. What is Apex form tag? It is a section of a Visual Force page that allows user to enter input and then submit it with an Apex command button or Apex command link. The body of the form determines the data that is displayed and the way it's processed. It's a best practice to use only one Apex form tag in a page or custom component. What is Apex section header tag? A title bar for a page. In a standard Salesforce page, the title bar is a colored header displayed directly under the tab bar. What is Apex page block tag? An area of a page that uses styling similar to the appearance of a Salesforce detail page, but without any default content. It is used to create a block on the page. What is Apex page block buttons tag? A set of buttons that are styled like standard Salesforce buttons. This component must be a child component of an Apex page block. What is Apex command button tag? The button executes an action defined by a controller and then either refreshes the current page or navigates to a different page based on the page reference variable that is returned by the action. What is Apex page block section tag? It consists of one or more columns, each of which spans two cells, one for a field's label and one for its value. What is Apex page block section item tag? It includes up to two child components. If no content is specified, the column is rendered as an empty space. If one child component is specified, the content spans both cells of the column. What is Apex output label tag? A label for an input or output field. This component provides a label for a controller method that does not correspond to a field on a Salesforce object. What is an input text tag? An HTML input element of type text. This component is used to get user input for a controller method that does not correspond to a field on a Salesforce object. What is Apex input text area tag? It is a text area input element. This component is used to get user input for a controller method that does not correspond to a field on a Salesforce object for a value that requires a text area. What is Apex input hidden tag? An HTML input element of type hidden, an input element that is invisible to the user. This component is used to pass variables from page to page. What is Apex input secret tag? An HTML input element of type password. This component is used to get user input for a controller method. What is Apex select option tag? A possible value for an Apex select checkboxes or Apex select list component. The Apex select option component must be a child of one of those components. What is Apex Select List tag? A list of options that allows users to select only one value or multiple value at a time, depending on the value of its multi-select attribute. What is Apex Select Radio tag? A set of related radio button input elements displayed in a table. Unlike checkboxes, only one radio button can ever be selected at a time. What is Apex Select Checkboxes tag? A set of related checkbox input elements displayed in a table. Thank you.